The Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail is the world's most expensive new car at approximately $30 million, representing the absolute pinnacle of luxury and custom craftsmanship. Limited to just 4 units globally, this rolling masterpiece features a mesmerizing dark red paint that changes color in the light, a breathtaking interior made from 1,603 hand-assembled wooden pieces resembling falling rose petals, and a removable luxury Audemars Piguet watch built right into the dashboard. More than just a vehicle, its immense significance lies in its absolute exclusivity, blending elite engineering with high art to create a historic, one-of-a-kind treasure for the ultra